We're recording. Look, see, you're going to be on YouTube. Tell the world hi.
Hi.
Hi. You love them? Do you love the world? You love all the fans. All the fans. Come on, put the hand up. You got to do a good wave. Wave at the fans.
Hey, fans.
Yeah, the fans. You've got fans.
Hey, fans.
Are you super smart?
Hey, fans.
Are you super smart? Are you smart? Do you know the answer to everything?
Oh, Xander, man.
Hey.
Do you know the answer to everything?
Xander.
Hey,
Hey.
why do we go to school?
Me.
Why do you go to school? What do you do at school?
I go to school.
You go to school. We got that. But what do you do at school? And Xander too. You're smart too.
Me too.
I see your sister back there sneaking and doing something. Okay.
Train.
Do we love the fans? Are we going to get rich and famous? Are you going to be a famous actor? Yeah? Okay.
Hey.